The Bahay ni Rizal, as the locals of Calamba used to call it, is a reproduction of the Spanish period stone house where national hero Jose Rizal was born on June 19, 1861, and lived until he started his formal studies in Binyan. It was located adjacent to the St. John the Baptist Parish Church, where he christened as Jose Protasio Rizal Mercado Alonso Realonda.
Good day! Dito kami ngayon sa bahay ng Dr. Rizal.
Mona. Ito ang damit na isinusuot ng ina ni Jose na si Teodora.
Formal dining area. This dining area is used only when they have guests. The library is also located here, and it is said that they had the best collection of books during the time of Jose Rizal in the Hacienda de Calamba, with about 1,000 titles.
This is the Jose P. Rizal bedroom.
Dito naman sa kusina, nasabing mahusay magluto si Doña Teodora. Naibahagit itinuro naman niya ang kaalamang ito sa mga anak na babae. Nakasama niya sa paggagawa ng mga minatamis, longganisa, bagong at tatsara para sa kanilang mag-anak at upang itinda rin sa munting sari-sari sa ibaba.
Boy's bedroom. His older brother Pasiano, with an age difference of 10 years, let him sleep on the bed, and he was the only one with a yaya named Aguilina Alvidera. Because of his frail condition when he was young, to improve his health, Pasiano taught Jose many things, such as horseback riding, swimming, and fencing. Jose used the original 4-poster bed up until the age of 9. Parents' bedroom. This is where Jose Protasio Rizal was born, between 11 p.m. and 12 midnight on June 19, 1861. As he was born on a Wednesday, a devotion to Saint Joseph, he was named Jose as for Protasio. It is in honor of the feast day for Saint Peter Protasius. June 19, patron Saint of Milan and of Highmakers, and is invoked for the discovery of Gibbs.
Museum of Jose Rizal has 6 galleries that house several facsimils, photographs, replicas, and authentic artifacts which are related to Dr. Jose Rizal, and has several interactive and traditional exhibits. Guests can enjoy a free tour inside the house, different galleries, as well as a stroll along the vast garden where the remains of Francisco Mercado and Teodora Alonso were buried. Permanent collections, furniture, housewares, manuscripts, books, paintings, sculptures, bills, and coins. This is the different commemorative medallions of Jose Rizal's centennial birth anniversary.
medyas na Rizal na lagi niyang sinusuot pag siya ay paalis.
Ang sombrero ay gamit ni Rizal sa kanyang paglalakbay bilang pananggalang sa init ng araw. Bilang tanda ng paggalang ni Rizal sa kanyang kapwa, ay inaalis niya ang sombrero sa kanyang ulo at inilalagay sa dibdib, tuloy yumuyuko. Ang Noli Me Tangere ay isinulat ni Dr. Jose Rizal para maipakita at maipamulat sa mga Pilipino ang mga pang-aabusong ginawa ng mga pari noong panahon ng mga Kastila.
Ang Paghahari ng Kasakiman ay ang pangalawang nobela na isinulat ni Jose P. Rizal na pinamagatang El Filibusterismo. Rizal House, a scale model of the original house of the Rizal family. The house is located at the heart of Calamba and is made from adobe and fine woods from Mount Makiling. The Moth and the Flame, Doña Lolay, telling the story of the young moth to Pepe. She advised him to be obedient so that he would not be burned like the young moth.
Ito naman ang balon sa bahay ni Rizal na pinagkukuhanan nila ng tubig. This is the statue of Dr. Jose P. Rizal.
Ang bahay kubo na kung saan naglalaro si Jose Rizal. Noong panahon niya, ang kubong ito ay napapalibutan ng mga puno ng bayabas, mangga, saging, papaya, sampalok at iba pang namumungang punong kahoy. Pagkatapos ay dumako naman kami sa eskultura nung siya ay bata pa. Nakasama niya ang kanyang aso.
Sa bukana ng bahay, mapapansin ang karwahe, isang simbolo sa panahon noon na mayaman ang pamilyang Rizal. May kabayo si Jose na binigay ng kanyang mga magulang at pinangalanan niya itong Alipato.
So yun, dito na natatapos ang aming vlog. I hope nag-enjoy kayo.